Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjun Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to get the full benefit of the video to know which Bank Nifty levels has to trade tomorrow and which Nifty levels has to trade tomorrow for to get the profit in the market. Okay, and I request you to please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members and well wishers, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe button to get the notification when I post updates. Thank you, thanks for understanding. So now let's jump into the market. Today Nifty 50 has lost 19 points and has ended at 14910 points. Nifty Bank has lost 377 points and has ended at 34804 points. Nifty Next 50 has gained 161 points. Nifty Midcap has gained 10 points. Nifty Financial Services has lost 134 points. If you see the Nifty 50 advances and declines are, Nifty 50 has 20 advances and 29 declines and 1 unchanged. The top 5 gainers for Nifty 50 are Asian Paint has gained 4.70%, Dr. Reddy has gained 2.58%, Hindustan Unilever has gained 1.59%, HCL Tech has gained 1.58%, ITC has gained 1.41%. If you see the top 5 losers under Nifty 50 are Cipla has lost 1.57%, Tata Steel has lost 1.55%, ICICI Bank has lost 1.47%, SBI has lost 1.30% and BPCL has lost 1.21%. Let's see who was majorly contributor for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. So for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, HDFC has contributed 132 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. ICICI Bank has contributed 107 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty, and Kotak Bank has contributed 40 points. SBI has contributed 37 points and Axis Bank has contributed 34 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, that is of 16 March 2021. Majorly these 5 banks has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are the major contributors for to make upside of the Bank Nifty or downfall of the Bank Nifty at any time. If the HDFC Bank has negative or ICICI Bank has negative, there must be some downfall of the Bank Nifty will happen at any time. Okay, now let's see how our views has worked today in our market. So yesterday Nifty 50 has closed at 14920 points and today it was opened at 14996 points, and we have given this buy call at 14970. Today it made a high of 15051 points. Hope you guys booked some 60 points of profit here, and a little bit downfall happened, but our sell call was not triggered and sideways happened in the second half of the market. And in the same way, Nifty Bank Nifty today has, we have given the sell call at 34970 and it was triggered here, so at 945 and made a low of 34751. So hope you guys book at least 200 points in the Bank Nifty of the sell call which was given for today's trade based on the yesterday's views. Okay, now let me share the views Nifty prediction for tomorrow with Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be. So today the Nifty 50 has closed at 14921 points. So for tomorrow, for that is 17th March 2021, Nifty prediction for tomorrow or with Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be, our buy call will be activated for Nifty 50 hour buy at 14,975 points for the target of 15,001, 15,020, 15,050, 15,075, 15,098 and 15,120. Okay, these are the buy levels, buy call for the Nifty 50. As I said, you should be very careful till here 14,999. So till then 15,000, till then you should be very careful in the market, because at any time the downfall may happen here, so you should be very active in the market. So okay, and at the same time, if you see the sell call for the Nifty 50 hour, our sell call will be activated at 14,865 points for the target of 14,850, then 14,810, 14,790, 14,760, 14,720 and 14,690. Okay, these are the buy and sell calls for the Nifty 50 for to trade tomorrow. So for the Nifty option bias, Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, once the bank Nifty has crossed this level, that is of 14,975, you can buy the strike price of 15,000 CE, and once Nifty has crossed this level, which is of 14,870, he can buy the strike price of 14,850 PE. Okay, Nifty 50 option prediction for tomorrow would be 14,850 PE and 15,000 CE. Okay, hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are confused, I request you to please replay this video and check again the levels and note it down, and be stick to the levels which was given in the video. And now let me share the Bank Nifty prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be. So today Bank Nifty was closed at 34,814 points. So our buy call will be activated at 35,140 for the target of 35,220, 35,300, 35,400, 35,500, 35,560, 35,610, 35,710, 35,800 and 35,950. You should be very if you want to take the trade here, you should be very careful here, because till this level, that is of 35,210, there may be chances of getting positive and again reverse here. So once this 35,210 is crossed, there may be a higher chance of going up to 35,400. As I said, as every time I said, so here there is a gap here. See, this gap has to be filled, which is of 35,400 to 35,700. So this gap has to be filled first. In between, there may be a chance of getting reversal from here. See, today also the market was opened at 35,352 and made a high of 35,400, 395. But the market is not able to sustain there. The Bank Nifty is not able to sustain there, and again it fell down. So tomorrow Bank Nifty also maybe the same way may happens. So you should be very careful. Till if you are a safe trader, you can take the buy call at 35,210. If you are aggressive trader, you can take the buy call at 35,150. Okay, suppose if the Bank Nifty continues its downtrend, so our sell call will be activated for the Bank Nifty tomorrow. Prediction with Bank Nifty analysis would be, our sell call for Bank Nifty would be activated at 34,650 for the target of 34,560, 34,420, 34,270, 34,140, 34,000 and 33,750, then 33,500. Okay, these are the Bank Nifty levels for to trade tomorrow. So hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note these levels for to trade tomorrow, because the bank nifty has to fall down in our levels only, because we are giving the levels based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, so for the bank nifty option prediction tomorrow would be, for the option buyers, bank nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, so once the bank nifty has crosses this level, that is of 35,150, they can take the strike price of 35,200 CE, and at the same way, if the bank nifty has crosses this level, that is of 34,650, they can take the strike price of 34,000 PE. Okay, 34,500 PE. Okay, so bank nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, the strike prices has to be considered as 34,500 PE and 35,200 CE. Hope you guys noted down these levels, and I request you to please be stick to our levels which was given in the video. If you are going out, I request you to please close the trade or put the stop loss for every trade which you are taken, because if you are not put the stop loss, there may be a higher chance of getting loss of all your capital. So be sure to make a stop loss for every order and be wise while booking your profit. Don't be greedy, be happy with what you have. Okay, thank you.